Hi guys! So I just did something that I've been waiting to do for the past like 3 months. Oh my god. I bought the James Charles palette. I literally just bought it. It was a journey to get my hands on this palette. I've been waiting since it came out. What is it, like January, February to get it? It was out of stock everywhere. On Ulta.com, Morphe.com, every single Morphe store, it was out of stock. I even called Ulta every single week to check up on the restocks. But, you know, all of that doesn't matter because I got it. That's all that matters right now. Hi guys! It's 5 days later. I don't look the best right now. I just got back from my evening class. And yeah, I've just had a long day. I did have a nice little surprise waiting for me when I got home. And the shipping was only 5 days, like that's not bad. I'm not gonna open it yet though. I'm gonna do an unboxing first impressions soon, like whenever I have chance to do a makeup look, just so I can get my true reaction for this palette. And I'm like really dramatizing this whole situation right now, like it's just a palette, but hey, so it's finally the day that I get to unbox and play with this palette. You guys don't understand the torture of just staring at this box, sitting in my room for like a week. Oh my god. I love it already. Hold on. Oh my gosh, the cover is so adorable. This is so cute. I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid right now. Okay, so he has this personal statement on the back. Hi sisters, blah, 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 blah. Okay, love that. Cute, adorable. I'm gonna open it now. Like, I already know what it looks like, but I just feel like seeing it in person is gonna be so much different because it's right in front of you, like the palette. Oh my god. You guys, it's like huge. Like, I don't think the Jaclyn Hill palette is this big. I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison. Yeah, so that's what I thought. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette. You guys could see it's a tiny bit smaller. The James Charles palette is really big. Like there's a huge, I believe it's like 40 something shades. I don't know, I could be wrong. You guys, it's so pretty. It's even prettier in person. I don't even like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's really so pretty. Okay, thumbnail. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just like staring at it. I have all the shade names here. I'm probably gonna tape this like right here. Right here it says Unleash Your Inner Artist in the glossy print, and I love that. Like you open it up and it just says Unleash Your Inner Artist. Like it's just giving you permission to like wild out with colors, and I love that. I just want to state right now that I decided that I'm not going to like talk through the steps and all, because I want to listen to my music and be able to just like enjoy this palette and enjoy blending and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna caption all the steps that I'm doing with my eyes. Like I'm gonna put like text down here. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyes and then I'm gonna dabble into this palette. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the end result.
Tell me you need me. If you cannot back it up, all I can say is you've been neglected. A good thinking I was willing to wait. You too good to get paid. Take me enough time to throw it away. The new remedy. It's over again now. And you're telling me you miss it, baby, just to get it out.
I thought I'd pause really quick and just say that this is blending so good so far.
Get me now. And you're telling me you miss it, baby, just to get me now. No remedies, escape me down.
Yeah. And I cannot forget you, know, but neither can you. I mean clearly, otherwise why'd you be singing this tune? You'd be singing about somebody new. Infatuation stages, then engagements, maybe they just haven't come through. You're sounding blue, so you think back, rewind and reflect. When I fell back, I was only trying to respect your space. Maybe you're like a missed shipment, still mine to collect. I might have missed you that first time around, let's finally connect. Cause you and I both know, regardless if we call it quits, could never keep a drink off an alcoholic's lips. We're both addicted to each other, there's nothing left to cover. It's understood, you'll always be that distant lover, you know.
That was just an escape, won't ever repeat it. Since you couldn't keep me right, I'll find another guy, I'm not stressing out. That was just my mistake, won't ever repeat it, no. Since you cannot keep me right, I'll find another guy. It's over again now. And you're telling me you miss it, baby, just forget it all.
This look is 95% done. We just have lashes and then lips. But I'm going to pop my lashes on really quick, and then I think I might just keep my lips like this because the eyes are already so dramatic. Oh, and by the way, these are the lashes that I'm gonna put on. They're just the infamous Cocoa lashes in the style Stella. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. To be honest, this is better than what I would have expected. The colors blended amazing together, and you know, the final look looks great. Getting like cotton candy vibes. Oh, actually, I wanted to show you guys. So I was walking one day, like recently, and I took a picture and it was so pretty. Then my boyfriend gave me the idea of actually recreating a look based on this. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty similar, honestly. What would I rate this? If I could give it 11 out of 10, I would. So you guys get the message. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
And you're telling me you miss it,